Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. Can the overall efficiency of a system that combines a turbine and generator exceed the individual efficiencies of either turbine and generator? Provide an explanation for your reasoning. Summary: no, it can't exceed individual efficiencies. So the formula, by combining, what they mean is they're multiplying two efficiencies. So we've got the eta of turbine and eta of generator, and you multiply them together. So here's some mathematical proof. So you've got your maximum 99% efficiency, multiply by another 99% efficiency. As you can see, you get 98, and then just for variety, you've got 25% multiplied by 40%, you get 10%. Okay, so here's the wordy explanation. The combined efficiency of a pump and motor system. Note that a pump and motor system is a turbine and generator. They just chose to use those words. Okay. Cannot exceed the efficiency of either the pump or the motor individually. This is because the overall efficiency is calculated as the product of the pump efficiency and the motor efficiency. Since both individual efficiencies are less than 1, multiplying them together results in a smaller value. Okay, so before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the snipping tool found in your taskbar. So click on the icon. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Then click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.